Michael be up with the sun, and it's been so hard for me to get up the last few mornings. I never thought I would be that person that drink coffee because they actually need to wake up, but y'all, that's me. Y'all, here's the cup that I'm drinking out of today. Got it from Target. What was you yelling? Bring me my creamer. Okay, so boom, the coffee. And I really think mugs, stop yelling. Bring me my creamer. I think these mugs are only made for hot coffee, but I'm not into drinking hot coffee right now, so hold on, let me get him straight real quick. Okay, y'all. Then I just been adding a little bit of oat milk. I don't know why, but I just do. And I like the taste of oat milk. I think I'm gonna start using it instead of almond milk. And then of course the dairy-free creamer.
I'm gonna make Crispies.
You gonna make Crispies?
No, crispy. The crispy.
The Rice Krispies?
The crispy, yes. The Rice crispy.
Okay, Michael.
And then you eat the rice.
Okay, y'all, I decided I need to go ahead and get up because I actually have a few places that I need to go today, and today is the day before Christmas Eve. I'm not trying to go nowhere tomorrow, so I need to go get some wrapping paper because y'all, I literally get down to like the last 2 boxes and then I run out of wrapping paper. And then I have a grocery order that I need to pick up from Kroger, and I think that's it. I'm gonna go by my mama's house to make sure she don't need help with anything, and then when I get back home, I'm gonna clean up. I just need to straighten up the bathrooms, sweep, mop, and vacuum. So that's really all I'll be having to do when I say clean, because for the most part, I just straighten up as I go. And I've been making Michael clean up behind himself because, honey boo, you do not got no maid. So let's just go ahead and get this habit into place early because I'm not going to be cleaning up after you. So, look, every time he's trying to get some rest, here go Michael.
Hello.
Oh, I forgot to show y'all the tree or how it looked when it was finished. So this is how everything came together. I like it. I think it's cute. And my granny bought me this random A to go on there. I think she said she got it from Target. And then I got the star from Target. You can't see the tree skirt because the gifts are at the bottom. But y'all, why my granny spend more on a tree skirt than what I spent on the whole tree? It's 1:42 a.m. and this boy is up eating chicken nuggets.
It's the brills. The brills.
I also made sure that the wrapping paper matched the tree. But then these two right here, I just ran out of wrapping paper, and that's all Dollar Tree had. Oh, he done opened his first gift. What's that? This is really some cute wrapping paper, but it's him acting like he don't know how to tear the thing off. Like he don't tear up everything else. Hey, Michael. Hold on, I didn't hear you. Say it again. Oh, okay. For him to finish opening the smaller gifts so he can open the bigger ones for last, but he taking all day. They're Christmas pajamas. They're matching. I already took their pictures. Now Jay's starting not to feel it no more. But they just have reindeers and it says Christmas 2021. That's for you. Why you just up over there grabbing stuff?
That's what Jay is causing shortages of COVID-19 tests. In Florida, it's a 4-wheeler for Jay. Outbreak on a cruise ship marks the 3rd one this week. ABC's Evan Wynn has the latest. That's Piggy's dump truck.
Yeah, but it's not for you, it's for Piggy.
It's for Piggy. Yeah, that's Piggy dump truck.
You just gonna run me over? Y'all, look at my brother.
My girl, my girl, my girl.
I don't think he like either one of y'all.
Ain't nobody coming to see you, Otis.
That's what Michael will be saying. Look, y'all, my granny opening the gift that is from Michael and Jace that they spent their hard-earned money on.
Did you give Marion his and his promo?
No, she didn't.
I forgot it. What you got, Granny?
I got Kinder Scott.
It did not say Kinder Scott.
That is exactly what they say. Granny, tell her you can read.
I thought you said James Overton.
I've been some everywhere.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all, so we're back at home. Dang, I didn't even get to pet you. Okay. Oh, God. All right. Anybody with kids know what that noise means. But, yeah, we just got back home not too long ago, so I'm about to start getting myself and Jace ready for bed. Micah's with his daddy, so he went there this morning after he finally woke up. But I'm about to go ahead and start winding down and getting us situated because I still have toys all over the house. So, gonna get that taken care of and figure out what we're doing tomorrow. Since it's Sunday, we'll probably just be like at my mama's. But yeah, just want to go ahead and come on and close out this vlog and say thank y'all so much for watching and Merry Christmas to everybody. I got a lot of stuff for Christmas. Like, I'm never expecting anything because, like, I'm grown and I have kids, so, like, I don't be expecting nothing. But I always end up getting a lot of stuff. So, if y'all want to do what I got for Christmas, because y'all know I like doing shopping hauls. If y'all want me to do what I got for Christmas, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see y'all in my next vlog, which will probably be like New Year's Eve / New Year's. And, oh, you can't talk. I'm about to tell him to say something like he can't say a word. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And we will see you in the next vlog.